Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download HP Omen X2S laptop driver download and how to install it. So use any browsers to search Google search box like that as it is same. Then this is first URL support.hp.com and the driver. So right click to new tab. Okay. This is your laptop Omen X by the HP and like that. So all the driver are available on the diagnostic audio chipset, graphic card and keyboard, network and storage. So lot of drivers are available guys. Do not install all if you don't required. You have to simply like 5 driver you basic needs to fulfill: audio, chipset, graphic, keyboard, mouse, input and network like that. Okay, so all the driver installation is process same. So this is audio driver, so you can just click to download. It will you connect, download, then automatically start it. Okay, and this is first one try. Just click to download. I show you how to download and I have to install it. Try this one, NVIDIA graphic. This is best. This extract, and then this is keyboard mouse. For the this is touchpad driver. So try to first one, and then this is network. Networks means this is Bluetooth, this is Wi-Fi driver, and this is local area driver. So starting three neat 100% to your system, your laptop. Okay, I just click to show you how to install and just click to download. Will automatically to start after few seconds automatically start the downloading. After that you have to go to back, otherwise you can click to download, otherwise you can scroll down and click to download more driver. Okay, and checked downloaded file to open this. Now installations method, click to yes, then next. I accept the oral conditions, agreement, and this is installations process folder. So you can, if you want to change, so you can easily change and select this folder, otherwise you can next. This is install. After you install the all driver, you just restart your system because you required restart. Okay, then you can check. If you're facing some issues, so please comment me, I will support you shortly. Thank you, bye bye.